Okay, we are on day 3, Saturday build day. We've had 2 days in.
We were doing pretty good. I foresee big problems today.
Why?
The place is freaking spotless.
I cleaned last night.
To find anything.
No, I'll tell you where I put everything. Everything is organized and put it in proper spots. I like a clean workspace. But here we are today. This is what we have completed. We've done all the bracing inside. A little bit late, got the floor done on the inside. Blair has been doing his magic. Let's see that thing, Blair.
Oh, hey, take this.
Look at that.
And now you just got to put it in there.
And this is why Blair gets paid the big bucks. Look at that. It is a perfect fit. I am so excited. So we have still tons of work to do, but I'm feeling pretty confident that Blair is correct.
And the floor you did. This is
amazing. That was my last night's job. Got it all welded in.
Clear coat this? Did you?
I like my finishing.
This is beautiful, shiny.
I'm so excited. So floor's in, bracing's in, putting down the sides today, so lots of welding, then getting onto the windows and the roof. And then what?
Well, you're gonna finish welding this one on. We'll both fit it.
Yeah.
We're gonna get that pulled in, and then I'll make up the other side. And we want to get this window set our hole. We got to build the same window opening a little bit smaller back here.
Yes.
Actually, we got to do it all. We got to get the roof done too.
Get the roof done
it's gonna
too.
be a big freaking day.
So this is day 3. Blair says we could do this in 3 days. How are we feeling? Are you still confident?
As long as we get to subtract the time covering for Mike.
Oh yes, we
half a day.
Yes. So we'll do half a day tomorrow.
Days.
I plan for being here tomorrow as well, even though it's Mother's Day. So I told my kids I'm building my truck on Mother's Day. Sorry, kids. But yeah, I think that today we'll get as much done. It's Saturday. We can stay late, drink a beer at the end of the day, and see where we're at. And then maybe if I'm lucky, he can help me with some of the extra little tidbits.
Yes. Yeah. Well, we'll see how.
We'll see how much time we have. So we are gonna get to work. Are you ready, Blair?
You betcha.
Day 3, Saturday. Let's do it. Down.
This way.
There we go. That's perfect. Nobody breathes on it.
Are you happy?
So happy.
Then.
I'm always happy, but I'm like extra happy today.
Okay, so a couple things. Where's the level?
I mean, it's gonna be the straightest thing on this whole truck.
Okay, it's pretty cool. You know, I mean, there is subtle damage on that.
Yeah.
We're all good. Yeah, we just have a subtle crown. Remember?
yeah.
Wow.
Oh, that's better.
You see that?
Yeah.
Yeah, wait. Now, this will come out a little bit, right? So, I mean, that's the thing. If we're going to tack it, hold it here. Oh, that's way better. Now, the bottom's a bit buggered up, but that's because the bottom of this is been hit, damaged. We'll leave the bottom 8 inches or so and do that as we go when the rest is all happy.
Okay.
So this is freaking good.
This is freaking good.
I guess you're gonna, you want the other welder out here or are you gonna keep using that one?
No, I'll just do that one. I can reach around that corner, so.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'll tack those. I will crawl over here.
Angel on the track.
Yeah.
So, almost.
Now we have to decide where should we put them. Is that going to be?
Should I cut it just on the inside of that?
You know, you're right, because that still gives us the backing. Yeah, you're right.
Okay.
You want to get them separated? Yeah. No, you got it.
Okay.
And get that done. And we'll put our heads together and figure it out. What I'm wondering is if we should part of it. But just part of
Is that
it.
that's from the back, right?
That's from the back of the cab.
Is there enough? No, there's not enough for both sides there.
You know, and all. Straighten it out a bit. I like having this bit. Here's the knot. So what we need to decide still, part we took off.
This part.
Yeah, we'll stand back there and look.
It feels like that line doesn't match with that one or that one. But I don't know if that's just.
It just seems that this piece is just a little bit.
I'll trim that.
Okay. But you're sitting high.
Well, it's sitting on top of this still. I'm just trying to get my, because I want to make sure this side matches before I slice up that. So I was gonna tack that and then slice that.
Yes.
Yeah.
There's no wrong way. I just,
Well,
obviously you would have noticed if you didn't have a perfect fit.
I would have noticed.
So far be it from me to accidentally shoot my mouth off. So I'm digging that.
Does it look straight?
Have you
I
used
didn't.
your little tri-square?
Not yet. I don't know where it is.
Oh, okay. Well, anyhow, yeah. You know exactly what you're doing.
I'm gonna tack that.
And I just came over for a respite from what I was doing. Oh, I thought it said tri-square or something. Oh, there it is.
That is.
Rachel, come back here and look.
Don't do anything else. Make it look like you cut a mushroom window on the side of your boot.
What?
Well, making it smaller just makes it look freaking off balance, like a mushroom window on the side of the boot.
What? I mean, now is it almost the exact same as what the front is?
No, it's way too smaller.
What do you mean by way?
Oh, that's
Like
a
an
gap.
inch?
So
An inch?
that's gonna be about. That's gonna be 2 inches smaller than the other one. I bet it's gonna be 20. I think it's like 20 and a half.
24 and 1/4.
And
That
was
one's
20 and a half.
22.
This is 20 and a quarter.
Ah,
4
well,
inches.
see, laser
4
eyes.
inches different.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, I think that's too small.
It is.
Okay, then move it back. Well, just critiquing.
Yeah, I'm an
Yeah.
overthinker.
Yeah.
So for me,
That's 23 and 1/4.
so that's a quarter inch smaller than
An
the,
inch
1 inch.
smaller than the front.
well, the front is 23 and a half.
No, 24 and 1/4.
Fuck, it looks bigger than it now, Blair. Are you
Yeah,
sure?
But that's also, we're
It's
also
angled.
looking, the angle that he has
I
drawn
got
on that
it.
top is
Yeah.
a different angle than, like, that's the bottom angle, not that top corner angle.
All right, so it's actually gonna be straighter up and down.
It's gonna be more curved on that top, or I guess less curved.
Less curved.
Yeah,
Yeah, I mean, it's almost vertical, right?
it's, yeah.
So
Right?
it'd be that curve.
So can I not, like, do a template of that window and then we just replicate it on the other side?
Not the front.
Okay, you got rid of this.
You don't want this. This
Why?
is not the same angle as this. That's why I'm measuring in the center. Because it's narrower here. There's a different width. Right? So there we're talking
24,
24 and 5/16.
Yeah, there you go.
Here 23 and a half.
Yeah.
Right? So this goes up one third.
Yeah, but are you following this angle off this angle?
Yeah.
I would say follow this, and this are all the same.
So then basically, I think what we should do is just, like you said before, replicate this strip
Yes.
on this side.
Yes.
And then, so these curves will be different then. This won't be this curve or this curve.
No.
Okay.
It'll be the inverse.
Of
that
those,
curve.
yeah.
It'll be this way.
No.
Yes. That's the inverse. It'll be
No.
that way.
No,
No.
it'll be the inverse of this. So it'll be this that way.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. What does Dodge do on their crew cabs? Do they make it the same or do they change it?
Never will.
When I'm going with Dodge, it doesn't matter, it's the same, right? It's
Well,
just,
what?
right, because there's a crew cab, what do they do on the back window?
What do you think from over there, Blair?
I freaking dig it.
Are we happy?
Very happy.
Look at this custom
Shaky one.
window. Yeah.
So we're pretty much there.
Yeah. Well,
Do that one more time.
yeah, I'll do it over here. And then we get ourselves a roof.
Yes.
Look at this. Fine work you do, Blair.
Oh, likewise, my friend. Likewise. Who are the two squirrels?
Okay, we've been at work today for 12 and a half hours
Yes.
so far. How are you feeling?
Awesome.
Are you feeling tired yet?
It's all right. This is fun stuff.
This is fun stuff. I think we're having fun. The sun's gone down. We didn't get to enjoy any of it today, but we are having fun.